So this one we built both of them in 30 days. I did the frame. It's a 76 model shovel head with 2004 primary, ultimate 6-speed, 16 over, 23-inch front, 240mm wide back. I got 2 calipers on it because it's suicide clutch, suicide shift, no front brake. So in Missouri, I got a lot of hills. So this is what, when I'm on a hill at a stop sign or stoplight, I got 2 bad feet from being blown up in the Marine Corps. So I can't balance very well sometimes. And it's hydraulic. So here's a hydraulic for the clutch. The other one is for the brake. Here's the contest. But I took best in show, best in class, and builder's choice.
It's cool.
Again,
I did one. See when I did one for the. I did one for the vets last year. It was an old. It was a 43 flathead.
Really?
And it was an old HA bike. And I just redid the whole bike and just fucking made it look so cool, man. It's bad. It's a fucking kickstart. Got a fucking bag on it.
So this one's got ghosted skulls in it. There's 51 of them down here. And then of course we started out with the silver flake. It's got 004, 008, 015, and 025 flake. And then blue candy, black candy, and red candy. And we got a Vietnam area warrior on the front and a modern day warrior on the other side. We got a skull with the Kevlar on one side.
Pretty cool.
Just a fun little bike. We have been riding 2 miles of desert dirt road since he got out of
I'd say this is pretty fun. Just never know what's going to happen when you follow the adventures of DanoLive. Stuff just happens in front of my eyes and I'm there to capture it. Hope you enjoyed DanoLive with Welderup. Famous Welderup in Las Vegas. Welcome sign here at Las Vegas Boulevard. DanoLive.